一下。好好好，可以。
那你那里可以按开始直播的。
我已经按好了。
嗯。
开始。嗯。已经开始。
Hi everyone, our live stream will formally begin in 2 minutes.
Yeah, 2 minutes later.
And 1 minute. 你就直接说 L23。
我一般就说 the linear light, the linear 23，我就是然后
linear 20。
linear 23，或者说是 MDCX L series，他们就
Okay, it's time. And 还没开，它错误了。
错误了。它又错误了。在这个平台看一下。
可以看到吗？可以吗？
它这个现在还是又错误了。
它这里说错误了。可以吗？我就说了。OK。
说网太卡了。你这连的是哪个网？
他们说可以，那就开始吧。Hello everyone, welcome to MDCX live stream.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel.
Yes, this is Zora.
This is Kaylee.
And today our topic is about our popular MDCX linear light.
Yes, because this linear light is quite popular in our company, so we want to show you the whole plan for the outdoor lighting projects.
Yes, we have many models under this series, our linear light series. Yes, first, we'd like to show you a short video about our company, our facility.
Yes, you can see this is our photo for the MDCX.
Yes, and here the video. Yes, as you can see in the book video, we have areas specific for producing workshop, for our sales group, for our design group.
Yes, and we also have the very professional R&D department, and as you can see in that video, we do many waterproof tests.
Yes, except the test, we also have We also have a really big sample room, yes, with a variety of lights in our company in that sample room.
Yes, and also we have many series. Beside this AO series, we have the dot lights, linear lights, and also the floodlights. You have many different choices.
Yes, also very popular wall washer series. And our company, as you can see, is founded in 2003. We have served many customers for more than 20 years. We've been more than 7,000 of projects in more than 60 countries.
Yes, you are right.
Yes, we have a really big sales group.
Because I think we are quite confident to show the world how good our products are and how capable we are. And also we believe that choose the MDCX Illumination, you will get such as the complete and satisfying the whole lighting solutions for your projects.
Yes, so in the past more than 20 years, we've engaged in providing a turnkey solution for our customers because we have customers who is like freshman in lighting industry. Yes, so that's what we've always been doing for more than 20 years.
Yes, you are right. And also we done many projects all over the world, such as in the hot countries, the temperature can reach the 40 degrees in the summer, in the Dubai, and also in the cold atmosphere, such as in the Russia. Our LED lights can also very good performance and can use for long time.
Some of the features of our lights are really special, are really suitable for some extreme environments, like some really hot area, some like Dubai, Middle East area, like you just mentioned. Yes,
such as the Pakistan.
Yes, also some salt spray test we did is really great for some seaby cities. Yes.
Okay, so let's see the whole L series in our company. We have many types and you can choose according to your product's needs. For example, we have the L17 and the L16.
Yes, and also have our really popular L20 linear light, L22 linear light, and L23 linear light. And the difference is it's not their product name, but also their application. Yes, for example, the L17 linear light is really a thin linear light suitable for some small gap, like some buildings with a really small gap, and some big light is not suitable for that small gap. Yes. So some thin linear lights is are really applicable in that situation. So yes, that's why we have a variety of types of linear lights for you to choose from. Yes.
Yeah, just the solar method, that's one of our advantages. We can use it for the wide application. And another advantage is that we can do the LED lights, which have the IP67. And in the lighting market, few of the company can do these lighting features.
Yes, I know most manufacturers in China, they can only supply IP65 protection grade. Actually, that is not a good waterproof grade or dustproof grade for outdoor use light. Yes.
Yeah. For example, the picture shows this building. We apply the linear lights here. Yeah, for the customers for more than 6 years. But now, it has very low maintenance. It can shining as before.
I think it have been shining for more than 2 years.
No, 6 years.
6 years.
Yeah.
Really a long-term use. Yes, long-term use. It's a really important characteristic for outdoor lights. And besides of that, We have our L20 linear lights. This is the most popular one for high building lighting project.
Yeah, for the high buildings, such as for the 40 meters, and also for some bridge, we use this project to outline the whole structure. Yeah, it's very cost effective.
Yes, like the picture on the background, it's a simple animation just to do the edge lighting, but our linear light actually can also do some really complicated animation.
Yes, the fireworks and also the running water, many complicated.
Yes, with like holiday effect or normal effect.
Yes, and Zora, I think it's quite important because we have the V-0, this fireproof grade.
V05 fire retardant feature is also one of the feature of our light.
Yeah, because you can just wonder if it's a shopping mall or hospital, your local government pay much attention to this project. So if you choose a very reliable product, you will don't worry about how about the condition of my project. You just you can go to anywhere to have a journey. Yes.
Yes, and also the V0 fire retardant grade level. Yes, it's how to say, it's a really important feature for some hot area. Oh, we do the V0 fireproof level with our own developed material, raw material. Yes, all lights need to be have to be did with our own self-developed material.
Yeah, and we can show you a video about it because we put our linear light totally to 100 hot water. Yes.
We can see there are many bubbles when our college is doing this test. Yes. At first I saw this video, actually I'm thinking about, is it safe enough when it's used outdoor, because there's many bubbles, but as you can see, it's keep shining and keep working all the way. Yes.
Yes, we prove that by some test in our company.
Yes.
And for example, I think for the linear light, you maybe need some short parts. Yeah, we can customize it for you. 1 meter or the half meters, both of them is okay.
Yes, customize the length of the linear light.
Yeah, and for the L33 linear lights, it's quite popular too because it can use it for some such as the office buildings and the such as outside the shopping mall. Yeah.
This type you mean?
Yeah, the last type.
Yes, last type. So actually, here we mentioned 5 types of linear light. All of the types are very applicable both home and abroad. It just depend on the application, like what your building is and how are you going to use this linear light. So our designers and our technical engineer will help you to choose which model is most suitable one for your project. We have the capacity.
Yes.
We have the capacity to provide these to you.
Yeah, okay, Laura, and here are some test reports for our whole LED lights. First one is the IP67 test report. Yeah, it's not only the waterproof and it's anti-dust. Yeah, because there are many dust in the air. It will affect the LED lights too.
Some sandy area.
Yeah.
Yes. And the next is our anti-soft spray test report. And we mentioned anti-soft spray is important. It's good for some seaby cities because in the air there are always some vapor that may harm your damage your lights, especially your outdoor lights.
Yes, and for that city, I think especially the July and some summer vacation holidays, they will for some raining seasons. So most of the LED lights, if they have the lower quality, maybe the rain will directly put in the LED lights, so it will broken.
Yes. They have less knowledge of how to install our lights correctly on the building. Yeah. Yes. And then next, we do our anti-UV test. Also, we call it UV resistance test. Actually, no matter your area is a really hot area or yes, cold area. Anti-UV is important because your lights will always be exposed under sun. Yes, when it's used outdoor. So this feature is also one of the most important features when you decided to expose your lights on outdoor under
very hot weathers.
Yes.
Yeah, under the sun. And we also have the test. We have a very professional experiment for this.
Yes. Yes, with this video, we can clearly see our lights was tested in our very professional equipment for a duration of totally 1 week. Yes, so it must undertakes really extreme strict strict 考验怎么说？text.
Yeah.
Yes.
Some procedures we must done before the shipment. Yeah, and you can see after the UV test, the whole LED lights can shining as before. And if you buy our LED vinyl lights, you can get the 100% tax after you get it, and you will get the very perfect products from our company. So the last one is the high and low temperature resistance test report. It can prove that we have a very good performance in the whole LED series.
Yes, that's all the test videos we show you. And also, friends, you're warmly welcome to our factory, and we're so happy to show you how we test these lights before delivery, yes, to prove our good quality.
Yes, and also you can try some sample lights for your projects. So if you get our lights, you will be quite confident to buy more and to done your maybe the first project in your city.
Yes, we'll be more confident when visiting our customers.
Yeah, you're right. And also have a conclusion about the product features. First of all, it's flame retardant.
Flame retardant.
Yeah, you're right. And also the production grade IP67.
Yes,
and also the UV resistance.
UV resistance.
We got the UV grade 4. And the most important is the high and low temperature resistance.
Yes.
The last one is the anti-source free.
Yeah. Yes, totally 5 features. As you can see, we counted from 1 to 5. These 5 features, as we mentioned, is really important for outdoor lights. Yes.
And it's also your advantages to persuade your clients to try the outdoor facade lighting projects. Okay, Zora, here is the lighting effect of our L22 linear lights.
With the diffuser, yes, we can see from the background, it has a special diffuser on the upper cover.
Yeah, this diffuser, you can see the effect is quite different. This photo is the with diffuser. The light will be more soft and warm. And how is your feeling about without diffuser?
Still shine. I think if I'm a passerby, when I walk along the way and the building beside me has a really high power light, and I think it may harm my eyes.
Yes, because sometimes we will cooperate with some designer company.
Yes.
So they will pursue the very soft linear lights. So this time we will introduce this diffuser lights to them, so they can win the products by these lights.
Yes, diffuser cover can also be yes, customized type for our linear light.
Yes, and for the tall building, I think we use the L17 and the L20 is okay. But if your building is have the 2 floor, 3 floor is the low building, yeah, yes, you can choose the linear lights with diffuser.
Because the low building will be more close to the passerbys. Yes, yeah. And the people's eyes will face the lights directly. They can directly face the light, the luminous side. So a cover diffuser one will help you to win the project, I think.
And some office they will tell you you can't install the shine lights, yeah, in low building. So in this time we can just tell them our lights is not shining, and if passers-by come, they will enjoy the lights, not think it's too shine.
So compared with the light without the diffuser type can be an additional type for you to choose from. Yes, so you have many options. Maybe you like the one without diffuser. It's okay. Yes, it's okay.
Yeah, and let's see this page. For this, you can see the single color and RGB, also the RGBW. The RGBW means beside the variety of colors, we add the white color.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so Laura, we have 3 different control methods. Yeah, the first one is the single color. We use the on-off.
Yes, on-off, and we also have SPI control system and DMX control system, standard DMX control system. Yes, so depending on your preference, if you want RGB type or RGBW type. We have SPI control and the DMX control.
Yeah, you have the different choices, but in the normal condition, we will introduce the SPI control system to you first, because if the first products and the first project, I think SPI will be more easier than the DMX one.
Yes. It is more easy, no matter for installation, also for
some connection.
Oh yes, connection, wiring job, yes.
Okay, and I think we can show our sample box and let them see.
Oh yes.
Okay, let's see the sample box together.
Let me plug in. Where?
Okay, this is our sample box. You can see it clearly.
I think it will be more clear.
Okay, so let's introduce them one by one. Okay, this one is the light we just mentioned, is the L22. Yeah, you can see the light is with diffuser, so the whole light effect will be more soft and warm.
Yes.
We have this bar materials, and also you can see this light is the L33 and the L30.
Clear.
And now it's clear. And for the L17 is the ultra thin part in MDCX Illumination, because we do these parts for some very thin buildings and some corners.
Yes. Yeah. Especially for some building with a gap, narrow gap.
Yeah, and as you can see, this is the cold white effect. We call it 6000K. That is cold white, and we have the 3000K choices, the warm white.
Yes, and here is the warm white, as you can see. Compared with this type, it will be more cold on the color temperature.
Yeah.
And also there's a difference on the whites. This one, clearly you can see it's more narrow, it's more thin.
Yeah, and also, Zora, I think if we suggest the customers, we can tell them the installation way is quite easy too, because we just need to fix the fixture on maybe on the wall, and then to use the screws to fix them. It's okay.
Fix it on the wall or on some stairs.
I think first we need to put the fixture on the wall.
Yep.
Yeah. Then to use the screws to maybe to hold the LED linear lights.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And beside the linear lights, we have the dot lights too. Yeah. If you buy our sample box, you will get the dot lights and different size, different shell colors, and also the linear lights with the diffuser and without diffuser.
Yes.
Yeah, both of them is okay.
It's okay to turn on the dot light. Yes.
You can see the light effects. Also the different size and different choices for a variety of application.
Yes, and all the pixel light here is the without diffuser type. So you can.
So if I want to put the shell, is it okay? the light shell like this.
Oh, yes. And if I want to try my first project, as you mentioned, if I tried my first project with linear light, you would recommend the
L17.
L17.
Yeah,
yes.
right.
And if I want to try my first sample with pixel light.
If you want to try your first project with the pixel light, I have two
recommendations.
Yes. The first one is for this type is the D14.
D14.
Yeah, D14, and also this light, the D13. And we also choose the single color one first, and then to do the RGB effect.
D40 and D30 are the difference between them are their dimension, right?
Yeah, the dimension and also the shell color. This is black and this is gray.
Gray.
Okay, thank you.
I think if I have a sample box like this, it is also a good choice when I meet my customers.
Yes, many of our clients choose to use the sample box because you can see our lights directly. Okay, now we come back
to our light string.
And if you have some interest to know about no matter the sample box and the linear lights, we can send you more information. You can contact us by the email and WhatsApp in the screen.
Yes, on the left side of the screen.
You can also follow the MDCX Illumination YouTube channel. Okay, this is the different colors of our linear light. So next, we can see more details about it. Usually we will send our clients the LD catalog, and you can see the whole information here.
Yes, there are many parameters here in the catalog.
This is the L17 and quite popular now, no matter in the foreign country or in China now, because it's very thin and can use the diffuser too.
Yes, if I now have many options, there are a variety of lights for me to choose from. And also in our company, there are 5 types of linear lights for me to choose from. So first, I would recommend you can choose based on your application. Like we just recommend L17 linear light. It's really suitable for some narrow gaps in your building. Yes, and then next you can choose based on the power.
Yes, yeah, the power. It's 5.
And we have 12 volts and 9 volts for our L17 linear light.
Yes. Also, our light, Laura, you can see the voltage of the whole light is the DC 24.
Yes.
Yeah.
Low voltage.
The low voltage, and sometimes maybe your clients want to use the high voltage, but for our concern, we think the 24 watts is most suitable. And no matter for your workers, because you install the lights, first you need to test it. But if the high voltage sometimes is not very safe.
Yes, I remember that 36 voltage is a safe voltage for human body.
You are right. And if reach the, I think for the 120 volts, yeah, it will hurt people.
Yes. So.
And we have the different beam angles. For this type, the beam angle is 120 degrees. And we have the different choices for the control methods, no matter the non-control and the SPI, both of them is suitable. Okay, let's see this project. I will tell you the details. This is the Taixing shopping mall in Jiangsu province. It's in China. And you can see it's not only used the L17 in the middle part, but also it combined the D15, yeah, the dot lines in this building. And first of all, the clients want only to use the neon lights to light up the whole structure, but we think to use the dot lights and combine the neon lights, the static single color and the moving RGB effect will be more suitable because it can bring the more charming visual experience to the passers-by.
Our designer, they did a completed the lighting solution, yes, based on this building.
Yes, and we can also see the L20, the inner lights. Do you think if you use the lights, you will worry about the installation method?
Yes, like if I'm a freshman, I first handle lighting projects. I will worry about if I can finish the installation perfect.
Yes. So before you install it, we will provide you files tell you how to install it, and we also have a very simple pictures to show it. This is our linear light. You can see on the screen, and we have the installation area. No matter the water and such as on the wall. This part is the small fixtures, and these fixtures we put it here on the wall, and then to choose the screws to just combine them, and we finish the installation.
Easy, 2 steps, only 2 steps needed.
Yes. Okay, and for that building, we also can provide the design surface like this. Zora, see this is okay.
Okay.
Yeah. How is your feeling about the design pictures?
Warm white is the main color in the whole screen, whole design.
Yeah.
Actually, warm white, in my opinion, from my perspective, I love warm white the most because warm white always give people a feeling of security, like at my home when I see this color.
Yeah, that's my feeling too, because when we go back home, we see some residential buildings, they use the warm white too.
The most.
Yes, yeah. And also we have the different aspects of the building, the different design for the buildings, because it's the whole industry zooms. They will just to change some light animation effects in
on
this part.
On the screen.
Yeah, in the screen part. And about that, we can show the video in this time.
above case study is our Yaozhong Stadium. The upper part of the whole stadium, we apply D30 dot light, RGB dot light. As you can see, so that's why there are many animations here. And the lower part, like here, is decorated with our single color linear light, our L20 linear light. It's here, there are totally 1,200 meter single color linear lights used here. And you can see with the combination of linear light and our dot light, and their combination of dynamic and static lighting effect, it can give people an audience a better visual experience. So I think actually a good lighting effect cannot only just depend on one part, one single light. Maybe two kinds of light or three kinds of light will be embodied in a project. Yes.
Okay, and just we mentioned some LED linear lights, they will form a screen. So here are some details of one of the projects we've done in Hangzhou city. This is the linear light details because first of all, we have a structure, yeah, and then we install the lights one by one.
Yes, the whole structure.
The structures we usually will let our clients to purchase it on the local market because it will lower maybe the whole cost of the whole screen.
At first, we should consider the shipping cost. For this such a structure, it will be heavy and big. So consider all kinds of aspects, reasons. So it's better to do the whole structure in your local area. It will most cost effective for you. Yes.
And we could show our clients these videos to show them some. Okay, so just the video shows the design video of after the installation lights. So maybe the whole industry zone will light up by our linear lights. So that is the reason why we choose the design service first, because you can get the lighting effect first and then to choose whether you need to install such as the 2,000 meters or 3,000 meters.
So you can look the lighting effect at first.
Yeah. And just see the details. This is the whole lighting effect of the Hangzhou city. We mentioned the Hangzhou Grand Theater Square. We put such as the live show, and for this screen we use it for the interactive. We just ride bicycles and to control the movement of the screen effect.
Bicycles?
Yeah, to ride bicycles and some interactive ways to control it.
If I ride the bicycle very
fast,
so
you will get very quickly animation effect.
Cool, that's cool.
Yeah. And for example, if you and me will ride bicycle together, because we have the two bicycles and we can have a competition. Yeah, we can just choose a simple game.
The screen will have
show
so many applications, so many functions.
you will see the whole road in the screen, and he will decide you and me which is the number 1, number 2, like this.
It's a pity I never ever embodied in that.
We can try it next time.
Okay.
So let's introduce the L22 linear lights. For this part, we introduce it most. You can see this picture. So for this part, we have the 5 features on the wall, and you can see the fixture here. And yeah, in this part and this part.
Yes. This is the one with diffuser we just mentioned.
Yeah, and this one is also can customize. If you don't want to the whole diffuser, we can just put the simple light to you, the L22. Yeah, the price will be more lower, but you know the maybe the light effect will be more shining.
So this one can have a diffuser type and no non-diffuser type.
Yes. Okay, let's see the Xiantan Mall is in the Zhejiang province. Huzhou city is quite near to our factory.
Xiantan.
Okay, so for this Xiantan Mall project, the left side and the right side, we have 2 screens on it. Yeah, and you can see we use the linear lights more than 3,000 meters, and you can form the letter effect. Yes, in Chinese is 德行天下.
文明有礼.
Yeah.
How to translate these 2 words into English?
To be a polite person, I think.
And to be people with civilization. Is it right?
I think it will be more better. Yeah.
Okay. We should be a polite people.
Yeah,
and
polite.
People with 品德.
A good morality.
Okay, be a good morality people.
And for this screen, I think for the whole procedure to install it costs less than 1 month, and we finish this project easily. If you want to have a more better video, I think we can use some professional cameras, because when we finish one local project, we want it be the landmark in that city.
Yes. These videos maybe it's just showed by the local people. Yes, so maybe it's not shot by some professional camera. So
so let's come into the L33 linear light. For this light, we have the monochrome and RGB, RGBW. Yes, and also we have the DMX control system for this one.
DMX, yes.
Yeah, DMX. For these lights, we can use it more than 50,000 hours, and the work temperature is under 40 degrees, and the highest can be the 55 degrees.
Actually, all of our lights can achieve such a high level.
Yes. And here is a project we've done. It's Shuangwan Bridge.
Give it to me like.
video is our Shuangwan Bridge. Yes, and the linear light we recommend today, we use a 550 meters L23 linear light in this project. And as you can see, there are some animations. Yes, on this part here we use our dot light for this screen part. Yes, around 5,000 dot light used there.
And usually we use the dot lights and linear lights, also some floodlights. Why we do the project use the more than 3 kind of products, because we think it will be more competitive.
Yes, and the fact prove that yes, it is.
Yes, it's true.
Yes, it's true.
Yeah, we have done many projects successfully.
So when you have a braid project in your hand, as you can see the pier part, floodlight is suitable and is good. And on the body part, linear light can do the edge lighting. Yes, and the rope, the upper part, dot light can do some screen, like some animation effect. Yes.
And we also choose the center distance, such as for the dot lights, we can install such as 1 meter for 10 pieces and 1 meter for 8 pieces. It determines by the animation effect.
Its distance, the lamp distance is flexible.
Yeah. And for this type is the L16 linear light. The installation is quite easy too, but the difference is the power can reach the 15 watts for this light. And the usage for it, we can to form the transparent linear screen. And you can see the L17 can form the people's face very clear.
It has a high definition.
Yeah, the highlight transmittance, it can reach the 17%. And also the videos can present good facial effects day and night, because we do a screen effect, don't only want to show it in the night, we also want some daytime effect too.
Yes. So one screen have two functions.
Two functions.
The daytime function and the nighttime function.
Yeah. And for this picture, we can see some simple installation guidance here. You have an installation area, and first of all, you will use the wire covers on it, and then to put the screws and to fix the whole structure and to install the L17 one by one. Okay, so here is another linear screen for this.
What's the difference? May I know what's the difference of this screen and the above screen?
Sometimes the L17 is used to form the screen. The direction is from the front to down like this to install it. But this is more flexible, I think. It can install in the line like this, and also can, according to your structures, adjust the installation directions.
Okay, so it has more options. How to like how you will arrange the distribution of the linear light. We will have more options.
And Zora, do you want to know what does our LED screen made from?
As we just recommended, there are many types of linear light and some types of linear screen.
Yes.
So I think maybe linear light can do such a linear screen.
You are right, and we also can collect them one by one. How we can the final one. So the first we need to have a very professional and good quality linear lights, such as our L series, the whole series. And then we have our own controllers. Yeah, also the power supply to light up the lights. The controller, usually we have the main controller and the sub controller. Okay, so the last part is is the frame.
Like the structure people can do which in their local.
Yeah.
Local, yes.
Because the frame sometimes is very complex, and the things we can do is to make the CAD drawings to you, so you can according to that and buy the suitable one. It's a screen in front of our factory. You can see we put our logo.
Yes, our logo in
MDCX and some Chinese letters. And I think it's quite good because if you have the Christmas day, you can change the animation effect.
Like some Merry Christmas.
Yeah, and some deers to running out like this. Because we just need to change the program in the SD card. Yeah.
Yes, and the program actually we can our technical engineer they can prepare a Bing program, Bing file in advance, and our customers just need to upload the Bing file in their SD card. So and then the program can be changed.
Yeah, it's quite easy and convenience. So our features for the LED linear screen, first is the IP67, and anti-UV will reach the grade 4. And the most important is the transparency rate. Sometimes if you buy an indoor LED screen, maybe the transparency is quite low, because for the outdoor we will have more consideration for this. The highest resolution, the P rate, we call it the 31.25, is quite high. It means we install the 32 pixels for 1 meter. Yeah.
So we just made a conclusion for the features of our lights.
Yeah, and also our warranty is 2 years for the OLED lights. And this is tell our clients why we can form the animation effects. Yeah, first we need to have the interactive machine. It can capture the movements, such as here is our interactive machines. We show our hands, and such as we running, it will capture our movements.
Yes.
And this movement is transferred to the computer. Yeah, then the computer will have he will get a signal from this machine, and he will output the signal to the LED linear screen. So final, the computer give him a direction. Then the LED linear lights, he will show the
corresponding movement.
Yeah, the corresponding design and the corresponding, such as some videos. Okay, and according to the whole topic, we know you know our MDCX, the whole linear light features, and you know that we can put it underwater for many features.
Yes, on the middle, we have MDCX L22 linear light on the middle. Yes. I know the reason.
In the middle, in this part?
Yes.
Yeah, because this project is used these lights.
Okay, yeah. I got your meaning. Okay, cool.
Beside the linear lights, we also have the dot lights, the D series, and also the wall washer. maybe we can show you next time and show you more topic about this.
Okay, then today's time is up.
Okay, so next time we will show you more products and more projects we've done by MDCX, and you can follow us, follow the MDCX Illumination.
Yes. Remember to follow Kelly.
And you can send more information to us. We can answer you immediately.
Yes.
Okay.
So, bye-bye.
Bye. That's all for today. See you next time.
Bye.